After the ray, we have next point as point of concurrence, and for that we have to do one activity. This activity student has to do in their notebook. For that, we'll draw first one point. Now, anyone tell that how many lines can be drawn from a single point? Let's try for it by drawing the lines one after another, for which will be passing from the line, passing from the dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Can we draw few more lines? Yes, we can. This activity show from a single point we can draw a multiple lines passing from a single point. That is, infinite lines are passing from a single point. That point is called as point of concurrence. We can denote that point by giving any capital letter to it, and the lines which are passing from that point are called as concurrent lines. The condition for the concurrent line is the lines should be 3 or more than 3. Means minimum lines required to prove the concurrent lines position is 3. Either 3 or more than 3. After the collinear point, concurrent point and point of concurrence and concurrent line, we have a next point as collinear points. Before moving to that, I will show you the activity how you are going to perform in a notebook. In this way, you have to draw a point in your notebook anywhere, give a name to it and draw the number of lines passing from it by using the ruler. Now we are going to learn collinear points. For this, on your page number 3, we have a diagram like this which contains a few points. Now, if we see they are not in a single line, that means we are not able to draw a line, single lines which will include all of them. Okay, but still we have a few lines from which we can draw the line. The same points I will draw on a board to show you this. Now try to join the lines, means we will draw first a line which will join a 2 dots, and later on we will try to make that lines in a such a way so that it will include other dots as well. If we try so, it can be joined but it not looking as a straight line. So the conclusion from this is we are able to draw a lines only among the 2 points of it, not more than 2. But it's not the case with all the points. Let's try for this one. I will give the names to the points so it will be identical. A, B, C, D. If we see for the point A, B, C, D, number of points are 4 points, and we are able to draw a straight single line passing from all these points. That is nothing but our collinear points. If a line can be drawn from 3 or more points, then it is called as collinear points. And what about the remaining points then? The points from which we are not able to draw the single line, they are called as non-collinear points. See the difference among this? They are the little bits, it looks same, but there is a difference among them. Point of concurrence is the point from which we can draw number of lines passing from it. And about the concurrent lines, the number of lines pass from that single point. It should be 3 or more than 3. If we talk about the collinear, linear, the word linear means in a straight line or one after another. The word meaning linear is one after another in a single line. So those who are one after another and from which we can draw the line, they are collinear point, and from which we cannot draw, they are non-collinear points. But the condition for both concurrent lines and collinear points is 3 or more. Here 3 or more lines should be there, and for this 3 or more points should be there.